Supported self-management. How to manage fatigue. This video will talk about how to manage fatigue. What is fatigue? Fatigue is a feeling of extreme tiredness that doesn't go away, even after you rest. You may experience fatigue following your cancer diagnosis or treatment. Fatigue is different from the tiredness you may experience every day. It's a feeling of excessive tiredness and can interfere with your day-to-day activities and may impact on your quality of life. Fatigue is common in people with prostate cancer. How long fatigue lasts will vary from person to person. It may get better or worse over time. How long the fatigue lasts will depend on what's causing it. Why might you get fatigue? It's not clear why people with cancer get fatigue. It's likely that lots of different things are involved, such as the cancer itself, cancer treatment, difficulties with eating and sleeping, pain, medication, stress, anxiety or depression, psychological effects, other health problems. Managing your fatigue. There are small changes that may help you to manage your fatigue. It's important that you ask for help and talk to your family or friends. It's also important to speak to your healthcare team, who can help you to find ways to manage it. It's important to follow a healthy diet, keep active, and make time for rest. Try to plan ahead. The 5 Ps may help. Prioritize. Take a look at what has to be done. Does it need to be done? Can someone do it for you? Plan. When are your energy levels higher? Morning or afternoon? Plan your activities in this time. Keep a diary or write a list and prioritize things that are important to you. Pace. Give yourself extra time to get things done. Keep a diary to pace your activities. Permission. Give yourself permission to do things differently and take things easy. Know that it's okay to say no if you're not feeling up to activities. Physical activity. Can you sit down to do everyday tasks instead of standing? Remember to keep yourself moving little and often. Little things can help you manage your fatigue. Fatigue management strategies. Try to introduce the 5 Ps. Understand your energy limits. Listen to your body. Keep a diary to record your activities and energy levels, as this may highlight what's causing fatigue. Use techniques such as relaxation and mindfulness, as these can help with managing anxiety. Try and get plenty of rest throughout the day and a good night's sleep. Maintain a healthy diet and adequate fluid intake to aid energy management. Supporting someone with fatigue. Prostate cancer can affect normal day-to-day life and affect relationships, friendships, and roles within your family. People with fatigue might feel too tired to do the things they normally did to look after themselves. They might become more dependent on their partner, family, and friends. They might feel guilty or embarrassed that they can't do as much as they used to. This can put stress on relationships, but there are things that can help. Some things that might help include learning about fatigue together, talking about how you or they feel, get support as a family, get help with practical matters such as work, money, or household tasks, develop a wider support network, including other family members, friends, or health professionals. Further support. If you'd like to discuss aspects of this video or you have concerns, please contact your healthcare team. Useful links can also be found in your handbook. Thank you.